Freshly precipitated aluminium and magnesium hydroxides are stirred vigorously in a buffer solution containing 0.25 molar ammonium chloride and 0.05 molar ammonium hydroxide. Calculate Al3 plus ion and Mg2 plus ion concentration in solution. Kb for NH4OH is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Now, Ksp for aluminum hydroxide is given 6 into 10 power minus 32. Ksp for magnesium hydroxide is given 6 into 10 power minus 10. They are asking to find aluminum ion concentration and magnesium ion concentration. If you take solubility product, it will be the product of aluminum and OH minus ion concentration. In magnesium hydroxide, magnesium ion and OH minus ion concentration. In both the cases, if we want the metal ion concentration, we need to know the OH minus ion concentration. Then we can find metal ion concentration from the two. So how do we get that metal ion concentration? We need to find OH minus. From where we'll get OH minus ion? From a buffer solution data, we can get that OH minus ion concentration. So first we'll approach with a buffer solution. For the buffer solution, it is basic buffer POH is equals to pKb plus log of concentration of salt by acid. It is going to be concentration of salt by base concentration. Now what is POH we have to find? So pKb is given as 4.74, log of concentration of salt is given as 0.25 molar by concentration of base is 0.05 given. So this is 5 times 4.74 plus log 5, which is 4.74 plus 0.699, which is equals to 5.43. So now POH we got, then pH is equals to 14 minus POH, which is equals to 14 minus 5.43 comes to be 8.56. So now we have pH value we got. The first thing is, if they asked us to find the pH, we can find the pH in this particular one. Since our question is not about finding out pH, this is an exemption. If you want, we will be solving. If that is not asked, no need to go. This is a basic buffer calculation part. But from this particular one, we wanted OH minus ion. So from this, we wanted OH minus. OH minus is equals to antilog of minus of POH, which is equals to antilog of minus 5.43, which will be equals to, solving this, we get 3.71 into 10 power minus 6 molar. So we got antilog of minus 5.43, which is 3.71 10 power minus 6. So the first one we found is OH minus ion concentration. Now we'll have aluminum hydroxide. We'll write aluminum hydroxide splitting into Al3 plus 3 OH minus. So if it is taken as S, this is taken as OH minus ion concentration we got, which is 3.7 into 10 power minus 6. Now what will be Ksp? Ksp is equals to concentration of aluminum power 1 into OH minus ion raised to the power 3. So Ksp is given as 1.1, sorry, it is 6 into, I hope once we'll go into this, 6 into 10 power minus 32. So 6 into 10 power minus 32 is equals to aluminum ion concentration into 3.7 into 10 power minus 6 whole cube. So coming to this aluminum ion concentration, if you calculate, we get an answer which is 1.18 into 10 power minus 15 molar. Same way, if you do the magnesium hydroxide, a magnesium hydroxide can be split into Mg2 plus 2OH minus. If this is taken as S, then this will be taken as 3.7 into 10 power minus 6 again. Now Ksp is equals to concentration of magnesium ion concentration raised to power 1 into OH minus ion power 2. So Ksp for this one is given as 6 into 10 power minus 10. So let us take 6 into 10 power minus 10 is equals to magnesium ion concentration into 3.7 into 10 power minus 6 whole square. So from this, if you do, we get magnesium ion concentration is equals to approximately 43.82 molar. So where do we have these options? We'll see. The answers for this 43.82 molar, and another one is 1.18 into 10 power minus 15 molar concentration.